Oh my gosh.
Look, there goes a tire. There goes a tire down Shoreline Drive.
Wow. So. Dude, something landed in that palm tree.
Yeah, dude. Something big too.
Something huge.
See that?
Do you think they'll do it again?
Yeah, I doubt it. I doubt it. I got it.
And so what? They usually running like 2-3 times?
Yeah, but it's a big explosion.
The thing was right into the palm tree. I told you, that's a car that exploded. Remember you said the top tree, you weren't too far out?
Something fell in that palm tree.
Play this back. So what they're gonna do? They're gonna clear it up and then redo it again? They usually do it, what, a couple of times?
I don't know if they're gonna do that a couple of times.
Did you guys see that car like go up?
Yeah, I saw.
It landed right there. Somebody could have been standing right there, right?
Like some piece flew over here. Here we go. See, look. I got a little bit of it.
Take two. One more time.
Real focus.
Keep pulling the